Okay, we're rolling.
I can't hear you.
Here, take your.
Oh,
take your
right.
banana. Which one do you want?
I'll take the pink one.
That sucks because you're getting the white one.
Okay, cool. It's fine. The pink one would have clashed with my outfit anyway.
We can't see you.
Well,
So we're outside. We have spray paint. We have various items. We have lay lamp, a old TV that does not work and does not have a power cord and is completely useless in every way possible, and some tin thingies. What are they for? I don't know. I put them in my bathroom. This one holds cotton balls. This one just holds my hopes and dreams. So, as we all are aware, pink is a superior color. And that means we need to spray paint all of these various items. Satin ballet slipper pink.
do the thing that beauty gurus do where they like put their hand behind it and they're like...
So today we're going to be using this satin ballet color master paint and primer. So this paint comes with primer, which is really cool because I didn't get any and I also didn't know that was a thing you needed. So I'm going to spray paint all of this stuff because I'm bored and I like pink. And I figured, why not make everything I own pink? I will not regret this ever. I'm going to start with this lamp. I've spray painted it silver before. As you can see, I did a wonderful job. It looks absolutely radiant. It was zebra printed before, so I feel like anything is a step up from zebra print. We're going to put on our
I have to put my
handy
on
dandy.
too, so I'm gonna just...
Okay, so we're going to put our bandana on so we don't breathe in any unwanted fumes. Or wanted, but just not right now. So I filmed a time lapse of me like putting the tape on. Any professional would have just taken the item apart and spray painted the different components. However, I am not a professional in anything, so I just put a bunch of painter's tape on it. Blue matches the tarp. We're popping. It's instruction time, which is always a nightmare. Spray outdoors in a well-ventilated area. Okay, we're doing good already. Okay, I can't read what it says because there's like paint on it. I don't know where that came from. 10 to 12 inches from surface. How far away is that? Spray in a sweeping motion side to side with slight overlap. Wait 1 minute between each coat. Dries in 10 minutes or less. Handles in 1 hour. This is gonna take 1 hour to dry. I don't have the patience for that. I think that's just like a rough estimate and I can do whatever I want.
I can't remember it anyways.
Also, fun fact, I tried doing it on this bat and it says no dripping. There was a lot of dripping. Not like wires. Ow. Shake it up. Put our mask on, like man. And we'll do it over here so we don't get everything spray painty. Okay, is this about the distance, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't really look pink.
Maybe close. Try doing it closer then, I guess.
Ooh, that worked a little bit better. I don't know. It says to wait a minute between coats, so I think I'm supposed to wait a minute. I didn't cover all the cord, but oh well. I think this lamp was like $10. I'm afraid to like do too much at once. I want this to actually go well. So I'm gonna just start the next item, which is this TV. I didn't cover up everything. I just kind of tried, but it doesn't work and it'll never work. And I don't know how to take things apart and do them each separately.
And it costs like $2 at a garage sale, so...
It's just for decoration, so
yeah.
who cares?
Yeah.
Okay, here goes.
Spray painty time.
Ooh, I'm actually kind of excited for this one. It's gonna be heckin' cute. Oh, snap! We'll kind of hit it one more time. From all the angles.
My banana is coming off.
Okay, I think that's pretty good for a first coat. Better than that one, actually. Okie dokie gnocchi. We have this cute fox right here. We're about to smother with paint. But start with the bottom half. Oh, I should have taken the sticker off. Oh well. Too late now. I'm already starting. Okay. I guess I didn't really need to paint the bottom of it. Okay, it's fine. We'll go like this. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to hold it that close. There's a replay. We'll see if I can just do it for a minute. And then we'll give it a little roll. Oh, genius. I've got this whole sweeping motion down. Let's cover up these Christmas decorations. Okay, we'll set this one right there. Time for the lid. Ooh, it's hot. It's a little warm out. Last item is this lovely chocolate hazelnut. Ooh, tasty. Can I lift it up? Oh. I don't want to spray paint my hand though. I don't know if you can take the label off of this, but we'll just spray paint over it.
You can't? I don't think so, because I have one and I have a plant in it, and I like tried to get the label off, but like I couldn't, so.
Oh, there you have it.
You know what, it's funny, because I was like, oh, Laura might want this for her plants, so I'm like, oh wait, no, I need something to hold my cotton balls in. You already had one, so I guess it doesn't matter. It's not a very thick first coat, but I'm a little nervous about doing a lot at once. I don't want it to get drippy. Noticing like how this item didn't get as pink as the other ones. I think I got a little scared. Got a little spooked. Ooh, now it's looking pinkalicious. I did it! Let's go! Dang, I'm doing good. I should do this to all of my belongings. You want a little spray paint? Okay, I got a little bit too close over there. I can tell because it's kind of like liquidy. Oh no, I don't have my mask on. What's the point of this if I don't have it on? Oh heck yeah! Can you really see anything? I think this one's gonna need one more coat. I think you can barely see the label underneath. Sorry, I should have warned you. That's why I gave you the mask. You're welcome. I saved your lungs from certain death.
I mean, I can still smell it, and I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I mean, a bad thing, I don't know. If I die, I die.
Okay, I think if you can smell it, that's good, because that means your nose is working.
Okay.
I said this needs a second coat. The lids might... How is this thing looking? Okay, this one's looking opaque as... Okay, this is the good pile. This one's looking good. I don't know how many coats you're supposed to do, but I'll just give it a little touch up right there. Little under there, right there. Kind of into the good pile. You can see I did a lot of spray painting. I'm gonna do one more coat on top. I think they all need like 3, I'm guessing then. Do you remember that time I spray painted half my face?
No.
With red spray paint? I was like Two-Face. I just went. Should just be my new hand. Hello, I'm Cup Hand.
You could whack people with it. You just smack them with the side of the head.
I really hope this is the tarp that they didn't care about because it is completely blue now. If not, I owe someone a new tarp. Well, so much for not getting my hands pink. And wearing my bandana. Another TV coming along. Okay, I can see on the side right here I need a little bit more. Maybe underneath right there. Roll. Okay. This one looks really good actually. I'm really happy with the TV. I didn't think this was gonna turn out as well as it did. I don't give myself a lot of credit because I don't deserve it. You see this? Very cute. When I said I wanted pink everything, I didn't mean my hands.
I can see the fumes surrounding you. So maybe that would be hopeful.
We have been surrounded by fumes, breathed a lot of them in because I kept forgetting to put my bandana on. I think it said an hour, right?
Yeah, I know.
So I guess I'll remove all the tape and stuff in an hour. Oh, right here, sorry. Oh, it's so clean and perfect. It's so many layers. I can't get this. Ooh, I think I could have spray painted this part actually, but I kind of like the white accent. I think that looks very cool, I guess. Oh, wait, that one has, these buttons didn't work so good, but because I'm not gonna be using them, I can just like scroll them to the place where there's less spray paint on them. This did help get some of it off though, so it's not like completely terrible. That one, okay, well, I can deal with that. And last but not least, this is the big boy one. Let's get a good angle, or not good, but better than it was. Okay, I guess that's what we're getting. Look, that is so cute. That's the end of me spray painting. I can still smell the fumes. They are all around me and they are in my house and they will never ever leave.